Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to level up in Expedition 33. Leveling up is pretty easy in the world of Expedition 33, in that pretty much every battle you go through will reward you with experience for you to level up your entire party. Areas like the Spring Meadows, when you start the game after the prologue, it already helps with leveling up your team. After finishing that entire area, you're introduced to the world map. And over here, there are tons of enemies scattered about that will help with leveling up. I would suggest fighting these enemies first to prepare you for the next area that will progress the story. Although they are mostly optional, they will still help with clearing areas a lot easier, especially since the boss fights are marginally stronger than the minor enemies inside. But exercise caution, because some of these don't come with a warning sign that they're much stronger than your expedition, and they might annihilate your entire team. And that's how to level up in Expedition 33.